everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Antonnette. If you are new here, today's video I'm doing a bit of a work from home routine. I feel like I've gotten really good at working from home over the years and I have some tips to share with you guys. Tips on productivity. I also have some new makeup and skincare products to show you, not related to working from home. I have my favorite coffee recipe, little things throughout my day that I do when I'm working from home. I want to say a huge thank you to you guys. If you are new here, I have a lot of new subscribers in the last month because I've been really trying to niche down my content into like self-improvement, wellness, routine style content, really giving you guys tips and tricks and making my content a little bit more useful, if you will. It's made me more excited to produce content again. It's a twofold thing. I know you guys love the content and I'm having a lot of fun creating again. If you guys are into this style of content, definitely let me know in the comments. My work from home routine always starts in the morning, of course. Right when I get up, I'm a 5 a.m. girly. I just did a video talking about why I wake up at 5 a.m. and how it has improved my life. I'll leave it linked at the end of this video, actually. I always swear by this, but make your bed as soon as you get out of it. Making your bed as soon as you get out of it creates an immediate sense of accomplishment. And I feel like when you start your morning routine with things like making your bed, doing a quick tidy, sort of autopilot, after a while, you just have these things that you do every morning. Morning routines will create momentum when you start with small wins like making your bed, drinking water, setting up your space. You can trick your brain into feeling accomplished, making you more productive throughout the day. I also always tidy the loft. If you guys struggle with procrastination or getting distracted really easily, make sure you clean off your workspace. Set yourself up for success by decluttering, getting rid of any distractions. A clutter-free and aesthetically pleasing workspace will keep your brain from feeling overwhelmed. Also adding small joy triggers like candles and plants. Like me, I love to light a good candle, put a little greenery on my desk just to like add a little brightness, or even ambient lighting can help make your work feel more enjoyable and less draining. I also always have my favorite coffee. I filmed it for you guys. I actually filmed myself like kind of getting ready this morning, so I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of that. Just some products I'm loving, my favorite coffee. Just brushed my teeth and took Zoe out. I need to make my coffee ASAP today because I'm exhausted. I have been addicted to my at-home dalgonas. As soon as I get a moment to make it, I have to make it. I made these homemade bagels, you know, the viral ones that everyone's making with yogurt and flour. They're so easy. I'll leave the recipe down below for you guys. Coffee is done. I swear this is the highlight of my morning. Every time I take the first sip, it is so delish. This is just equal parts instant coffee, water, and sugar blended. And then I just top it with ice and oat milk and it's so delicious. For breakfast this morning, I'm making an omelet. I'm just making whatever's left in the fridge because I haven't had a chance to go to the grocery store yet. I've got some kale and onion and green pepper sauteing, and then I'm also going to whisk these eggs and make a little omelet, a little Parmesan omelet. I also made these homemade bagels yesterday. I'm so upset I didn't film it. I'm gonna have that with butter and a little healthy omelet on the side. Get ready for the day super quickly. A couple new things here I wanted to try with you guys from Kiehl's. Ultra Facial Barrier Hydrating Cleanser, and it's a cream to foam. Excited to try that. And then this is their Ultra Facial Cream. 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. I would love to use this with like skincare brush. I just know it probably gets so soapy. I love a super soapy cleanser like this. Just makes you feel like your face is getting more clean than usual. Face feels so nice and clean. Best feeling. I'm gonna try this Ultra Facial Cream. Ooh, I like it. This feels like a really nice moisturizer to put on before you put your makeup on and you want your face to be like really, really hydrated. But it's not heavy at all. I'm gonna touch up my hair today. I'm gonna show you guys how I touch up my hair every day. This especially works after the gym. I've been working out a ton. My hair just takes a hit, and I've been trying to find the best ways to basically like refresh my hair every day without having to wash it. I just take some dry shampoo, pretty much in 3 sections. I just get the main parts of my hair and I part it down the middle, and I just make sure I've got all that dry shampoo combed out of either water, or I really like to use one of these like sprays because they smell so good. This is the Moisture 21 in 1 spray by L'Oreal. Trick to sort of refreshing the hair is getting it a little wet and then blow drying it. I'm gonna use this blow dryer I just got by Dreamy. Look at this blow dryer, you guys, how small it is. It's so nice and compact. It's gonna be so perfect for travel. It also comes with its own little pouch. You can just like slip it in and take it on the go. Please, it is literally the size of my hand practically. Look at that. It is the smallest little blow dryer. It also has like attachments, so we're gonna use some of the attachments today. This ironing nozzle, I've never used one of these before until recently. It just pops right on the end of the blow dryer, and then you blow dry your hair like normal. It's kind of like a diffuser, but better. It's for like straight hair. So this just pops on. You only need this one attachment, and look at that. You can use it like your normal curling iron. Super, super convenient, all while being so little and compact. It's gonna be so clutch when it comes to travel, just because blow dryers are so big and bulky. Let me go ahead and show you how it works in action. This convenient blow dryer from Dreamy is called the Pocket Hair Dryer, and it's easily one of the best travel-friendly dryers I've ever tried. It's lightweight, compact, and foldable, as I showed you guys, weighing just a little over half a pound. It's perfect for travel or even just keeping in your car for quick touch-ups. And this is a clip of me blow drying my hair from wet to dry yesterday morning. It also dries my wet hair perfectly. It comes with two nozzles, one for smoothing and reducing frizz and another for enhancing curls. So no matter how you style your hair, it works. I also love that it's customizable with 5 different modes, including cold, warm, and hot air, plus an instant cool shot to lock in style. And the hot and cold cycling mode helps prevent overheating while drying, so my hair stays protected. And even with its compact size, it's powerful, running on a 110,000 RPM high-speed motor for quick drying without excessive heat damage. Plus, it's quiet, which is a nice bonus. It's sleek, efficient, and honestly makes styling so much easier on the go. If you guys want to try out the Dreamy Pocket Hair Dryer, definitely check out the link in the description box. Huge thank you to Dreamy for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Going for more of a straight look today, but then once you comb them out, you just get this nice, beautiful wave, and it gives you this like fresh blowout look. I love it, and I love the way my bangs look when I use that attachment. That's my hair for today. I'm gonna finish getting ready for the morning. So let's get dressed for the day. I'm gonna toss my glasses on for my look today. I'm gonna go for a little smart outfit. Try and layer the sweater over the cropped button up. These pants are from Revolve, I think. Super old, like look good on and super comfortable, you know what I mean? Perfect kind of crossover. Let's try it all on and see how we vibe.
The shoes work with it, probably the wrong way.
Maybe I should use these frames for my glasses today. A little tortoiseshell moment with my sweater, super cozy. I feel smart, I feel sophisticated. I do feel better when I'm dressed and I'm put together for the day. I just feel more talkative. I want to talk to more people. I feel more productive. I feel like when you look better, you perform better. Okay, so once I am ready for the day, I am ready to get to work. A lot of people say like, why do you wake up at 5 if you don't have to? I like to ease into my day. I can easily take 2 hours in the morning to get ready. No, I'm not sitting there doing my makeup for 2 hours, but tidying my place, making my favorite coffee, making a nice slow breakfast, playing with Zoe a little bit, going on a little walk with her. I mean, I could easily stretch that out for 2 hours. So by the time I'm done doing that, it's just 7 a.m. and it feels so good. It's a different feeling when you do all of that and it's 10 a.m. already and you're like, shit, I gotta get my day going. I wasted the whole morning dilly-dallying in the bathroom and with my makeup. So that's why I wake up at 5 a.m. so I can dilly-dally all morning and then still be ready to get to work by 7 a.m. By this time, I'm sitting at my desk and I'm ready to edit. Now, let's talk productivity. I have talked to you guys so many times about the raging ADHD that I have. I get distracted so easily. So I wanted to share with you some of my favorite tips to stay productive that have really helped me. One, if you do have ADHD or you struggle to get things done, create little dopamine hits throughout the day. Sometimes for me, this can just be setting a timer for 20 minutes and doing whatever task. Like last week I had to do my taxes, which I hate, but I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna set this 30-minute timer and whatever I get done in that 30 minutes is what I get done. So I did that, and even just doing that 30 minutes and sort of checking it off, if you will, just felt so good and I felt so accomplished at the end. So sometimes it can be that, but you can also add other incentives, like once I'm done with this work, I'll order my favorite takeout and I'll watch my favorite show, or do something that you just, you know, you love to do. You know, if you could implement little treats or whatever whatever makes you happy at the end of your workday. Maybe going out for a drink with one of your friends, whatever. You can implement that in any way that you feel fits best for your lifestyle. Another thing I love to do is I think it's called the Pomodoro method. This is such a useful method if you have a big project that needs to get done that you know is going to take you several days or weeks. And sometimes those bigger projects are what we procrastinate on the most because we feel a lot of anxiety around those things. And really, anxiety is the root of procrastination. You're just like putting it off because you feel overwhelmed by whatever the task is. So breaking it down into little increments can help you so much. The Pomodoro method is when you do 25 minutes of deep work, no distractions, no music, you can do music if it helps you, but no TV, no cell phones, no TikTok, none of that. Just 25 minutes of deep focus on that one project. You can set a timer for this if that's helpful for you. I would set a timer if you're gonna really try this method out. Then you take a 5-minute break. Stand up, stretch, I don't know, scroll on TikTok if you want to, even though that can be dangerous. It's very slow. So take your 5-minute break. You repeat the process 3 times over, and then after the 3rd time, you take a 30-minute break. It'll save you from getting burnout. Your brain works best when it's immersed in a single task. Switching between tasks can lower your efficiency by 40%, while deep work allows you to produce higher quality results in less time. Your brain thrives on structured focus. The Pomodoro method prevents burnout by keeping your energy level steady and sustainable throughout the day. Also, if you want to play binaural beats, love to do this. I just look it up on YouTube. It really helps. If you have ADHD especially, you can listen to things like brown noise or binaural beats. Don't knock it before you try it. It just keeps me focused a lot more. And the binaural beats especially makes me feel like calm and stress-free. And maybe it's a little mind over matter too, you know? Those are my kind of productivity, how to get shit done tips. Several hours later, I am ready to take a break. Oh my gosh, the sun has kind of faded. I don't know about you guys, but whenever it's cloudy, I notice that whenever the weather is like cloudier, it is harder for me to get work done. I don't know about you guys, like whenever it rains, I'm like, where's the blanket? Let's cuddle. Time to take a little movement break. I'm gonna do a little treadmill walk. Under desk treadmill I have. I've used it every single day since I got it. I'll link it in this video too, but girl, I always knew I wanted one of those, but now that I have one, I walk every single morning for like 70 minutes. It's the best. Sometimes if I have like a meal that was kind of naughty, like yesterday I had Shake Shack and I hopped on that little walking pad for like 10 minutes after my Shake Shack meal. I just felt so like accomplished and just made me feel good. So yeah, taking a little movement break during your day will help break things up. It refreshes the blood flow in your brain and like actually wakes you up, makes you feel more energized, and you're ready to do more deep work afterwards. Also, if you can't step away from work, if you can take your calls while walking, if you can take a break at some point and just take your calls or emails while you walk, and you can still be sort of available at work, but you are technically not sitting down at the desk in a deep focus type of way. You're just taking a little break, letting your mind disconnect from your work for even just 10 minutes can be helpful, but if you can do 30 minutes to an hour, it can be really helpful in refreshing your brain for the day. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, improving focus, memory, and creativity. Even small movements like stretching or a quick walk can double your energy levels. There's a massive connection between posture and productivity. Sitting for too long can lower your cognitive function. Good posture keeps your body engaged, improving circulation and keeping you mentally sharp. I was just making lunch and I got this package delivered. I wanted to open it with you guys. It's a CVS package. Whenever I get these, I get so excited because I know there's something good inside. I'm so sad though, because if you didn't know, I did a ambassadorship with CVS last year, 2024, and it's technically, I think February was the last month for it, or it's actually my first ambassadorship that I've ever done, and I loved it so much. I'm such a CVS fan. Kind of sad. I don't like endings. They gave me a hatch. I cannot wait to start using this. I don't even wake up with an alarm, but I love the idea of the sunrise vibe, waking you up instead of an alarm. And then this is something I asked for Christmas years ago, and I kind of forgot about it. It's an Ember mug, one of those mugs that keep your drinks hot. I'm someone who I never finish my drinks. I leave them laying around everywhere. Have to heat up my coffee 10 times. And then they also gave me this. This is so cute. This Instax. I think you like take a photo with it and it prints the photo out. It's like a Polaroid camera, but like a digital Polaroid camera. I'm gonna save this for like a vacation or something. Yeah, huge thank you to CVS. I thought you guys would like to see a little haul. This is how my office looks by the end. My office. This is how my little workspace area looks. I'm done with the day. An absolute disaster. I just needed all these things, okay? I don't know what comes over me. I just make a mess. So I always like to clean my space before I'm done with the day. I like to do a mini declutter of my desk, clear paperwork, reset my space, put all my pins back, put all my electronics back that I took out that I needed to use, declutter the space. I had a little to-do list for the next day, just a quick 3 things that I want to get done for the next day. Top 3 things that are my top priority for tomorrow, I will usually write down. Also, as soon as my day is over, I shut my laptop, I put my laptop to the side, and I change my clothes. I like to switch into my comfy clothes. That way I signal to my body that the workday is over, time to switch into more relaxed mode. I somehow end up in front of my computer in the evenings, but the point is kind of having a designated work zone and then home life. It makes me sort of signal to my brain that it's time to relax and switch off. That is pretty much it for my work from home routine. There's a lot of random things going on in this video today, and just like you guys, none of my days look the same. Some days I'm getting ready, a full glam. Some days I'm in PJs at the desk. Some days I work from a coffee shop, but the general kind of productivity tips and that kind of stuff around today's video is pretty much what I implement into my everyday work life. So I hope that you guys found this useful in some sense. Leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notifications bell so you know when I upload. I still upload once or twice a week. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.